I was at a workshop and I was presenting, and the gentleman who presented right before me showed these one light painting in his entire 1 hour presentation, and I just said, how did he do that? And I came up to him afterwards and I said, tell me how that, I couldn't drive home fast enough. I said hi to my wife and I went right out into the studio and started trying to figure it out. It's not complex and it's not even expensive. You can go out and buy a whole bunch of lights for a lot of money, or you can get a flashlight and a tripod, set your camera up, and I'm going to come teach you how to do it. Well, the first segment of this class is light painting, and we're light painting during the day. It's macro and very small scene, small world imagery. Our second segment is going to be on light painting portraits. Model. We have a ballerina coming into a studio. And then of course our third phase is the largest of all. It's the outdoor scene here with Karen, the motorcycle, and the entire environment. It's the less light, the sort of dark surroundings, and then this little spotlight effect. Whether it's a small flower, whether it's a portrait of a person, or whether it's a large sort of landscape and subject within, it is the most artistic form of lighting that there can possibly be. And that's the exciting part. People are usually just blown away by it. They just go, how did it? So if you're interested in light and how it works, especially with light painting in 3 different categories, come and join my class and check it out at KelbyOne.com, and I will see you there.